What's up, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you the easiest way how to get screws. So let's get into it. So one of the ways is obviously going over here into the mines. And mining. And getting ores and selling it. But some of them drop screws in your watch, so yeah. This is another way. I'm gonna die on purpose because I don't have the grappler hook, but you're gonna go to sewers. Oh, if you were wondering how did I get the elf suit, if you don't know how, in the description I have the short that tells you. So you're gonna go in the sewers. Crap, I got stuck. You're gonna come down here, and then you're gonna find this ore, this specific ore, mine. You can get a lot of screws doing this. You can also mine these for screws and some random stuff, so you can go sell it. But this is how I got that much, but I'm gonna die on purpose. Look at my butt. Yeah, so you get those screws. You get screws. The screw looking ores. And yeah, that's the second way. Now third way. Which is the last way I know. I know this might be a short video, but this is for entertainment purposes and for learning purposes, so you know how to play this game. So you're gonna go over here, dodge landmines. Don't be a stupid person. Purposely do it like Faz. No, like seriously, he does it. When you're going to the forest, I recommend getting a backpack and grabbing the bananas and the flashlight, so you can do stuff. But yeah, you can kill the ogre, you can kill the chickens. I'll give you stuff. Yeah, you can sell that. You can get the chicken nugget. And yeah, I'm not gonna show you them because I don't want this to be a long video. So yeah, so yeah, those were the three ways: go into the sewers, go into the mines, and go into the forest, getting stuff. If you're new and you do stuff, join my code. I'll be in there sometime. Join the code Blue Ice VR. Just Blue Ice VR if you want to meet me in Animal Company. But bye bye.